All right, I'm here with Scott, who cannot even remember how many times he's been to CACS. That's how many times you've been. That's how much you love this organization, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely valuable. I think there's enough technical depth that if you're a technician and you want to learn more, it's here. If you want to learn about board governance, it's here. It's all here.
Perfect. That should be the new slogan. It's all here. CACS 2018, it's all here, baby. If someone's on the fence, maybe they're not sure what CACS is all about, why would you say that this is the place to be?
It's worth it for your CP credits. Knock it out.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. Just knock it out. Really quick, tell us all, what's one nugget you can take away from today, from the conference, that you're going to bring back home to Wisconsin?
We need to evolve. Because we are in a day and age where the world is changing. Not only is it changing, it's changing at a very rapid pace, right? So our talents, being in this industry, it cannot go stale. So we need to make sure we keep evolving, and the only way we can evolve ourselves is being in conferences like this, a CAC conference, where you get a chance to hear from leadership in the industry, but experts, right? People who think more commercial, so we can glean on this knowledge so we can apply that to our day-to-day activities, our individual perspective business. If you want to put your money where it's going to serve you best, it's got to be in a CACS conference. The leadership is amazing, ISACA organizing this event is amazing, the network is amazing, and the folks in the industry are willing to share and give back.
I can't believe I've never come before. I've learned a lot. I've got to meet a lot of great people. The opportunities that I've gotten from this week have been great, and I look forward to coming back again in the future.